Welcome back. You are watching Kesar World YouTube channel. We will talk about Google Flights versus Expedia versus Booking.com. Which one saves you more in 2025? So let's start our video. There's no denying that air travel is the fastest way to get somewhere, and sometimes it is the only way to get somewhere. But the problem is that air travel is only becoming more and more expensive, especially when popular US airlines are quietly rising fares. As height as 70% for solo travelers, and airlines like Southwest how have a new bag fee cost. Travelers are always looking for ways to save money on flights, and that's where websites like Google Flights, Expedia, and Booking.com come in handy. All of these websites allow travelers to compare cost for different flights to their destinations, so they can find the one that works best for their budget. But is one of these flight comparison sites better than the others, and which one saves travelers the most money in 2025, or do they all show travelers the same cost? These are things you might want to know before you start comparing flights to your next destination. All of these websites have their benefits, but which one is the best for saving money on flights? Let's compare. Related experts benefit predict our travel summer. For air travel, here's the solution. Air travel this summer may be the worst ever. Here's how to outsmart the system, prep early, and survive the airport madness. Booking.com 1810 likes Booking.com. Just because you booked an economy flight doesn't mean you can't have a first class experience. Booking.com is one of the best apps for planning your entire vacation, allowing you to book flights and others, lodging, rental cars, and more. If you are not particular about certain airlines or what time your flight arrives, Booking.com is a great flight comparison tool that allows you to find the cheapest flight to your destination. Booking.com may offer deals on flights that aren't available elsewhere due to having partnerships with preferred airlines that allow you to earn points or miles with those airlines. Even if you book through Booking.com, Booking also offers a free rewards and loyalty program called Genius that offers rewards and discounts based on how often you travel. Every flight you book on Booking.com contributes to your progress in the rewards program. Although there are no specific flight related rewards like miles or points that are separate from the Genius program. The Genius program can allow you to save money on other aspects of your trip. The different tiers of Genius offer different rewards. Genius program tiers: level 1, 10% discount on select hotels. Level 2, the 10% discount on select hotels. Free breakfast at select hotels. Free room upgrades at select hotels. Flexible check-in per checkout at select hotels. Level 3, 10% point 15% discount on select hotels. Free breakfast at select hotels. Free room upgrades at select hotels. Flexible check-in per checkout at select hotels. Genius member also get special discounts and promotions for being part of the program, which you automatically join when you sign up. So even if you aren't able to get the best deal on flights thought booking.com, you may be able to save more money on your trip in the long run by taking advantage of other deals. If you book everything thought booking.com, additionally, even if you don't save that much money on flights in the beginning, you may receive better discounts for repeatedly booking thought booking.com and moving thought the different levels of the rewards from program related delta deals when and how to book flights to your dream destination before the year ends. We all love to grab a bargain, and the Delta website is the place to be to snag your dream flight deal before the year ends. Expedia. Expedia works similarly to Booking.com, allowing you to book your entire vacation through one app or website, including flights, lodging, and rental cars. Expedia is an especially great website for finding last minute deals on flights and other accommodations for your vacation. Expedia really streamlines the flight bookings and they have they have frequent sales, last minute discounts, and even deals when you bundle your flight and hotel. You can potentially save up to 25% on flights. Expedia also offers payment plans, so you can make payments on your flight instead of paying for the entire thing up for upfront. Expedia Air Hacks 2025 Inside Tips for Better Travel. Like 504 likes Expedia. When travel planning for this year, be sure to reference our 2025 Air Hacks report that debunks air travel myths and highlights tips on how to save up to 2020 or up to 25% on flights. Learn more at our link in bio. Expedia also offers travel insurance through various providers. So even if you aren't saving a lot of money compared to booking on other sites, it's easy to purchase travel insurance through Expedia. So if you do have to cancel your trip for any of the covered reasons, it's less of a hassle to get a refund. Expedia also has a 24-hour cancellation policy that gives you a full refund if you end up having to cancel for whatever reason. This could include finding a chapter deal elsewhere. Expedia also offers flight tracking. You can flight to track. Expedia and will alert you when the price changes for that flight, so you can make sure you book the best deal. Expedia has its own loyalty program called One Key Rewards, which offers one key cash for every booking you make on the website, including flights. The one key cash can then be used for discounts on figure feature trips. The rewards program also has different tiers with different benefits which you can progress thought by booking more trip thoughts. Expedia tiers save 10% or more on our 1 lakh hotels. Blue tiers earn one key cash on eligible bookings of $25 or more. Free price tracking for flights. Silver tiers save 15% or more on over 1 lakh hotels. Earn one key cash on eligible bookings of $25 or more. Earn 3% in 1 key cash at VIP SS properties, free price tracking for flights, priority travel support, gold tiers, save 20% or more on over 10,000 hotels, earn 1 keys cash on eligible bookings of $25 or more. Earn at 4% in 1 key cash at VIP SS properties. Free price tracking for flights. Priority travel support. Room upgrades at VIP SS properties. Free 1 key price drop protection for select flights. You earn the difference in on. Platinum tiers. Have save 20% or more on over 10,000 hotels. Earn 1 key cash on eligible bookings of $25 or more. Earn 6% and 1 key cash at VIP SS properties. Free price tracking for flights. Platinum VIP traveler support. Room upgrades at VIP SS properties. Free 1 key price drop protection for select flights. Us with booking.com, even if you don't find the best deal by booking thought Expedia, and you may save money in the long run by continually booking thought Expedia and earning more rewards thought their loyalty program related. Southwest Airlines announces major fare restructuring, reduces for new price tags. The least is in Southwest involving passenger experience. The new fare bundles will begin ruling out in May. Google Flights. Unlike Booking.com and Expedia, which allow you to search for discounts on various aspects of your trip, including flights, Google Flights is specifically for finding the best deals on flights, so you don't have to worry about all the extras that other websites offer. Instead, focusing slowly on finding the cheapest flight. Google Flights is rated the number one flight comparison website by various platforms. Sync it does focus slowly on flight. Google powerful search engine and commitment to making sure information is as current as possible also means that the information you get from Google Flights is more likely to be accurate. However, is it the cheapest option for booking flights? Sometimes you, but not always. Google Flights aggregates flight information just like Expedia and Booking.com, but Google may not always show all flights available, particularly the cheapest options from budget airlines. Google Flights does have an explore feature that allows you to search for flights based on your budget to ensure you get the best deal for you. Google Flights also offers price tracking, which will alert you to change in the prices of flights you're watching, so you can get the cheapest flight possible. Another convenient thing about Google Flights is that it shows you the Google total price of the flight, not the price per person like Expedia and Booking.com. So, if you are in a situation where you can only spend a certain mountain amount of money on flights, you don't have to go through the whole booking process to see the total amount. Despite all of these benefits, Google Flights may not always save you the most money, but it is a pretty reliable source for booking flights, and there are tips and tricks you can use to make sure you save the most money. Book the cheapest flight possible on Google Flights by using these hacks. Want to find the best deals possible for your next flight adventure? This Google Flight Hacks are the best way to do so. Book direct for the absolute cheapest flights. In most cases, the best way to save money is by booking directly on the airline's website, especially if you are loyal to a certain airline. Booking directly on an airline's website instead of thought a third party site allows you to take advantage of sales and discounts available only thought that particular airline. Many airlines have sales around major holidays where you can book curtain flights for future dates for significantly cheaper than you would find on any third party site. Plus, the loyalty programs that airlines have generally offer much better perks than websites like Expedia or Booking.com. Travelers can earn more miles and better discounts, flight upgrades, and more. Additionally, booking directly bought the airline also means that you always have the most current information and you get better customer service if you have to change or cancel your flight. The downside is that by booking directly thought the airline, they often don't issue refunds for cancellations. Instead, many just offer you a direct on a future flight. Still, if you want to save the absolute most money, booking direct is usually the best way to go. Related, unlocking a free flight with United Miliac plus points is simpler than we expected. Find out just how few miles it can take to book a free United flight and the many ways you can start earning these miles today. It's hard to say whether Booking.com, Expedia, or Google Flights is going to save you the most money. It just depends on the available flights when you are traveling and many other factors. It's best to track the same flight on multiple different websites, including the airline's website, so that way you can see which one will save you the most money. Taking advantage of rewards programs and sales can also help you save money on flights. See more next videos. Take care. Bye.